You want to have friends again. You are friends
We've
again.
always been friends. Ah, you
No.
are.
We have to.
So first, do you have bilaterals being organized?
With President Trump. With Trump, yes. He said if you work for me, we have policies, but there's more than respect.
So we will have this window now, but as you stay longer, let's say around.
Had a cigarette.
No. Good.
When you I stop people. Doesn't find.
And that's it, never look back.